Oh, these look so good.
I know, right?
Jalapeno poppers done by
KingTheSwimmer.
KingTheSwimmer. How does it feel to know that a swimmer can cook?
Real good, because now I don't have to depend on anyone else to cook, especially after I come back from the big swim meet. Well, if it's a big swim meet, I'm expecting someone to cook. But if I can cook whenever. I know for a fact that I can cook. So now I don't have to ever worry about, dang, I don't have enough fuel to swim. Because I can do it myself.
All right, awesome. I appreciate you for making some jalapeno poppers for your mom.
You're welcome. I appreciate you for tasting them. Because this is my first time actually cooking by myself, if I'm being honest.
Good job. All right, thank you guys for joining us. This is Reed's Learning Street, and we also cook, not just swim.
Yes.
All right, peace.